Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 18.2, which will be released at the beginning of the upcoming week. So we only have a few days left now until we all get the new iOS 18.2 update on our devices. So as you probably know, with the new iOS 18.1 and 18.2, Apple is releasing the new Apple Intelligence features, but unfortunately those are available only to the newer iPhone 16 series and the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. But there is more to iOS 18.2. There are a lot more features that all the devices will get. So in today's video, I will show you guys the 10 awesome new features that iOS 18.2 will bring to all devices and not just the newer ones. Now we're starting things off with Safari, so head on to your settings, go under apps and search here for Safari, and once you go here you will find a new feature that Apple has added with iOS 18.2. Now this feature will allow you to import or export history and website data to Safari on your device. So right here, as you can see, we have history and website data. Just at the button where you can clear the history and website data, you will find the export and the import button. Now you can see right here, if I want to go ahead and export my data, I can go ahead and just right here select what I want to export. So if I don't want to do the passwords, I want to do just the history, I can do that. And then right here, we can go ahead and save to downloads, and then we have that file which we can export to another device. And of course, once you want to import, you tap right here and just load a file that you have saved on your downloads. Another great new feature of iOS 18.2 will be the ability to check your downloads via the dynamic island or the live activities on the lock screen of your device. As you can see right here, I'm downloading a file and I have it right there on the dynamic island, from where I can see the progress of that download or even cancel it right there if I want to. The same goes for the lock screen as well. So if I just go to my lock screen, you can see right here under the live activities, I will have this activity from Safari, from where I can view the progress of my download. Now, Apple has done a great job with the icons on Safari. First of all, we got the dark mode icons, and now we have the tinted icons as well. So as you can see right here, we have tinted icons, which will of course match the tinted icons that you might have on the home screen of your device. That's actually really cool. And if we go to Safari right here, you can see them. And even if we go into like different sections right here, so if I go to general, you can see all the icons here, and even this one right there will actually be tinted, and it looks much better, of course, matching the ones on the home screen. And not just that, even the share sheet will get the tinted icons. So when you go to the share sheet, you will have here, of course, the apps where you can share anything you want. And as you can see right there, they are tinted. Unfortunately, this icon right here at the top still remains on the light mode. It doesn't even go to the dark mode, but hopefully that will be fixed soon. But now we get tinted icons here for the share sheet. Another thing you will be able to do on iOS 18.2 is easier change your search engine. So when you go to your settings, just head on to search, and then right here you will find a section that says search engine. You can go here and pick the search engine that you want to use. Now of course you could previously change this, but you would have to go into apps, then go to Safari, and then find the search engine there and change it from there. Now it's much easier because you will have it on the front page right here. Just go to search and you will find there the section where you can change the search engine for Safari. Moving on into the Photos app, Apple has done a few changes here on the Photos app with iOS 18.2, which are really welcome. One of them right here on the video. When you scrub around a video right here, you can see that now it will also show you the milliseconds. Previously, it showed you the minutes and the seconds, and now it will show all of them, so you will have the minutes, seconds, and milliseconds as well. And an improvement that I really love on the Photos app with iOS 18.2 is that now you will have a back button right there on the top left side. So in the center you will see the title of the album you're in, and then right there you will have a back button, which is actually very useful, so you can easier go out of any album that you're in on the Photos app with iOS 18.2. Another really great change with 18.2 is that now you can customize the notifications for your Mail app. Now we're going to talk about the Mail app in a second here, but first of all, let's head on to settings, and right here under notifications, under the Mail notifications, if you just scroll down here, you will find a new section that says customize notifications. Now when you go here, you will see a few different options. So you will have your accounts right here, and you can change the settings here for both of the accounts. In this case, I have 2 accounts. So we have badges for unread messages on primary. So only the mail that you get on your primary section will get a badge on the icon, and then you will have also all unread messages if you just want to show badges for every email that you have. And then you will have here the account. So if I go to one of them right here, I can choose, of course, to customize the notifications for each of the accounts. Now, as I said, we're going to talk about the Mail app as well. The Mail app will be available to all devices with iOS 18.2, the all new Mail app, which I really like. A really easy way to actually filter your email. It will do that automatically, will show you the primary inbox here, promotions, transactions, and all that will be into different categories. Now, if you don't actually like this change with iOS 18.2, what you can do is just tap the 3 dots right there, which will allow you to go to the list view, which means that you will go back to the old Mail app style. And last but not least, we're going to apps right here, and we have a new section for default apps. Now right here, you will be able to change your default apps. Now, of course, you could do this before, but you would have had to go to an apps section in order to do that. Now you will have all of them right here in one place. So everything that you can change, your email, messages, calling, call filtering, browsers, keyboards, everything, passwords, everything will be right here. You can just simply go to one of them, and it will show you a list of apps which you can use as your default app. Of course, you will have to have third-party apps for mail, in this case, for example, installed on your device in order for you to get that option to change to that as the default app for your device. So these are some of the best new features that are coming to your device with iOS 18.2 that are not part of the new Apple Intelligence features. I know a lot of users are disappointed that they didn't get the Apple Intelligence features on their devices, but of course on these updates you will be able to find a ton of cool features like these ones that are not part of those features. And with the next updates that probably will have way less Apple Intelligence features, hopefully we will get a lot more other features that will be available to all devices and not just in newer ones, because with this update the majority of the Apple Intelligence features will actually be released. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, and of course subscribe for more iOS 18.2 videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.